Welcome to Affirmations for Developing a Strong Personality. This video is designed to empower you with positive affirmations that will strengthen your inner core and help you cultivate a powerful and magnetic personality. Repeat the affirmations out loud or in your mind, and truly believe in them as you say them. I am confident in my abilities. My voice matters, and I express my ideas with clarity. Challenges make me stronger. I am resilient in the face of adversity. My potential is limitless. I trust my intuition and make wise decisions. I embrace my unique personality. My courage inspires others. I am a leader in my own life. I stand up for what I believe in. Compassion guides my actions towards others. I am open to new experiences. My determination drives me forward. I possess a deep inner strength. Creativity flows through me effortlessly. I am mindful of my mental and emotional health. I am grateful for my journey and where it's leading me. I am a positive influence in the world. My kindness makes the world a better place. I value and respect myself. I am patient with myself and others. Every day, I grow wiser. I am a beacon of love and peace. I navigate my life with grace and ease. My actions align with my core values. I am fearless in the pursuit of what sets my soul on fire. I inspire those around me with my authenticity. I radiate confidence and positivity. I am in control of my happiness. My life is filled with abundance in all forms. I am worthy of respect from myself and others. I constantly evolve and transform. I am dedicated to personal growth. My presence is powerful and uplifting. I communicate effectively with everyone I meet. I am a master of my emotions. I lead by example. I am committed to achieving my goals. I celebrate every victory, big or small. I am my own best friend. I am bold and courageous. My mind is a powerful tool that I wield with precision. I am a constant learner, always seeking to improve. I am unapologetically me. I choose to see the good in people. I am filled with energy and enthusiasm. I am deserving of all the good life has to offer. My spirit is indomitable. I am focused on my personal development. I handle criticism with grace and see it as an opportunity for growth. I am self-reliant and independent. I trust in my ability to unlock the life I desire. I am making a positive impact on the world. I am surrounded by love and everything is fine. My journey is unique and I love it. I am a warrior in my own life. I embrace change as it helps me grow. I am worthy of my dreams and goals. I am a magnet for miracles. My inner world creates my outer world. I am a vessel of peace and serenity. I am passionate about my pursuits. I trust the process of life. I am the architect of my life. I build its foundation and choose its contents. Today, I am overflowing with energy and joy. I forgive myself for past mistakes and learn from them. I am grateful for the love in my life. I am an infinite being with infinite potential. My life is a reflection of the love and peace within me. I choose to be happy right now. I love my life. I am powerful beyond measure. I am light. I am love. I believe in myself and my ability to succeed. I am at peace with my past. I am in charge of how I feel today. I choose faith over fear. I am proud of myself and my achievements. I give myself the care and attention that I deserve. My life is full of possibilities and potential. I attract positive, kind people into my life. My heart is open to receiving and giving love. I let go of worries that drain my energy. I am filled with gratitude for another day to make a positive impact. I am strong in mind, body, and spirit. I am loved, I am loving, I am lovable forever. Every cell in my body vibrates with energy and health. I express my needs and feelings clearly and respectfully. I am a positive force in the universe.